Now we're going to turn to parents of the Oxford High School shooter challenging the charges against them.
A hearing was held at the Michigan Court of Appeals today on whether James and Jennifer Crumbley should stand trial. They are each facing 4 counts of involuntary manslaughter, one for each of the students killed in the massacre in November of 2021.
7 Action News reporter Kim Russell was in court as parents and victims watched arguments, wondering how it will impact their pursuit of justice.
The case against James and Jennifer Crumbley has the potential to impact the legal rights of every parent. The question at issue: should a parent be held responsible when their 15-year-old intentionally kills others?
We had a person who put together this plan of who he was going to shoot, what order he was going to do it in.
Defense attorneys Mario Lehman and Shannon Smith argued the charges against the Crumbleys should be thrown out because their son intentionally killed 4 classmates at Oxford High, so he is responsible, not them.
There were warning signs all over the place.
As a parent, I don't owe a legal duty to every kid at my 4 kids' schools. I don't owe a legal duty to every person my child encounters on the street.
Every seat in the courtroom was filled as parents of those who lost their lives and even a teen who survived being shot listened to the hearing. The father of that teen says it was so hard to hear arguments over whether James and Jennifer Crumbley had a duty to protect other children. Your son was shot. When you heard the defense attorneys making the argument that these parents don't have a duty to protect everyone their child interacts with, what was your reaction?
I was angry. Who wouldn't be? Can you imagine the disregard for your children to actually say that parents do not have a responsibility to make sure your children are safe?
We believe they're guilty. I certainly know how I would treat and take care of my child.
Jared and Linda Watson came to court with their son Aiden, who was shot at Oxford High, and his older brother Caleb, who found himself hiding on campus at Michigan State University during a mass shooting there last month. They say their sons wanted to send a message by coming to the hearing. They believe allowing trial against the Crumbleys could protect others.
He lives with this every day. He's in pain every day, but he's going to live his life and probably appreciate it a little bit more because he's here. And again, there are 4 children who are not. So let's do right by them and get justice for these kids and then move forward legislation that makes sense.
The Court of Appeals will issue a decision at a future date. In Detroit, Kim Russell, 7 Action News.